maligayang pagdating sa Hong Kong. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa palitarang pagdating ng Hong Kong. Nangyari po lamang na mga tiling nakaupo at huwag po lamang tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kapit. Kagamitan, pabag po sa mga palikuran hanggang tayo ay nasigyan at tayo tulit ng papa. Maraming salamat po.
Ay, may lumipad kang airplane.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just landed at the Hong Kong International Airport. India Air Flight crew would like to be the first to welcome you to Hong Kong, China. Local time now is 55 minutes past the hour of 11 of 10. 55 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. For your information, there's no time difference between the Philippines and Hong Kong. The ground temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. And do not stand to forget your bags or go to the lavatories until you're advised that you may do so. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not